Hello everyone. Today I am going to telling the summary of episode 3 of Mr. Crow with Mr. Lizard. Okay, let's get it started. Jangsa had to ask Jo Young for help. Fortunately, a friend helped her and borrow a new suit. Fortunately, the person in charge let himself go many times, and Jangsa got the willingness to walk into Guchwang office. Guchwang requirement for Jangsa are very relaxed, and her main job is to drive. As for learning, she can freely arrange. Unexpectedly, happiness came so soon. Was full of happiness. Guchwang was very kind to Jangsa and allowed Jangsa to come in to observe the meeting. Unexpectedly, before stepping into the meeting, Mr. He, who had married Jangsa that day, stopped the two of them and instead not to let Jangsa enter the company. Guzhang realized that his attitude toward Jangsa was targeted everywhere. After Mr. He immediate boss Mr. Singh affair, Guzhang successfully brought Jangsa into the meeting room. Guzhang confidently introduced the design concept in front of the customers, and Jangsa looked admired, waiting for the two to return to the on-ground parking lot. Jangsa wanted to help Guzhang buy a bottle of water. She was targeted everywhere. The unsuccessful things last time made she feel very upset. This time she even wanted to use trick. Repayment once again violated Jangsa. Fortunately, Guzhang reappeared, seeing that he always wanted to blame Jangsa. Guzhang insisted on calling the police to investigate and monitor. Only then did he stop and apologize. Jiangsa, Guzhang saw that Jiangsa was very frightened, so he offered to drive. Jiangsa's view of Guzhang changed drastically. The administration of her heart kept pouring out. When she got out of car, she handed a note to Guzhang saying it was her own gift and begging Guzhang to wait when he returned home. At night fell when Guzhang came home and took out the piece of paper and opened it. He saw the small flower painted by Jangsa on the paper. Recalling what Jangsa had said, Guzhang silently retracted the note. Jangsa received Guzhang early in the morning. She handed over the oatmeal she had prepared. Guzhang thought it was Sumolin arrangement, so he ate at the office. Sumolin, who came in office in and heard Jangsa breakfast, her expression changed. However, she calmly mentioned Nikah design exhibit and handed over the exhibition ticket she prepared. Who know that Guzhang mentioned Jangsa again and wanted Sumolin to prepare another one so that Jangsa could study with him. Sumalin said the above agree, but in heart it feel uneasy. Joyang received the news of the Wang Tang, who had harassed herself that day, but the company wanted to cooperate with him, so Zhang Yan had to find another opportunity to discuss the business with him. The boss, Mr. Wei, offered to drink and have a dinner after get off work, but Zhang Yan refused several times. Before she refused, unexpectedly the boss hand touches her back again, and Joyang felt a tumbling in her stomach. On the other side, Jangsa received a call from the hospital and learned that Ranti was in the hospital for emergency treatment. So she hurriedly informed Sumalin of situation and hurried back to the hospital to take care of her auntie. Jiang ran into Tang Shu at the elevator entrance. As soon as Jiang and received the call, she hurried home with Tang Chu. Tang Chu then rushed to the hospital to help Jiang Sa. It was time to watch the exhibition. Sumalin deliberately didn't talk to Guchuang about Jiang Sha's situation, pretending that Jiang Sa left for no reason. Guchuang asked Sumalin to call. As soon as the call was connected, Guchuang questioned Jiang Sa. His tone was very angry. He doubted Jiang Sa's original intention. When Jiang Sa heard Guchuang questioning her heart was full of guilt. Guzang realized that something was wrong and hurried to hospital with the Sumalin. He saw Jiang Sa's helpless appearance, faced with the sky-high medical expense. Guzang offered to lend the company first, knowing that he felt at this moment Tang Chu refused, thinking that he could help Jiang Sa with the money. After Jiang Sa thought about it, he chose Guzang. Tang Chu felt very uncomfortable. Guchuang received a call from the doctor on the way home and hurried back. And Jiang Sa stayed close to her auntie's bed. Fortunately, her auntie woke up successfully, but she opened her eyes and apologized to Jiang Sa. Jiang Sa comforted her. At this moment, she became the only support in the family. The doctor was preparing Guchuang's heart for an update. The doctor noticed that there was an expectations for the futures in Guchuang's tone. He was not as pessimistic as before, but Guchuang didn't notice it at all. Maybe his mentality had changed silently. Hope you guys like my video. If you like, please do like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you, everyone. Stay safe.